I will begin by explaining SpeedGrader, which you've used before, but is slightly different. As you recall, the student name is up in the upper right corner, and you can move from one essay to another without any navigation problems. We'll stay back with the paper we just saw, Giselle Carreon. And the tools are up in the right-hand corner. You don't need to use these tools unless you want to make the text larger or smaller. The first tool is where you simply highlight the type of quote box that you want to use, click it where you want to leave the quote, and then write your comment. Next box is the highlighter. Very similar, you just select the words that you want to comment on, and in this case you click on a comment box and leave a comment. Text is exactly the same as it was before. You may end a paragraph and you want to leave a comment. You simply start writing. Here is my comment, and then click outside the box. With any of these tools, if you don't like what you've done, you can delete it by pressing the garbage can and saying OK, and it will disappear. The next tool is the cross out, so you choose words that you want to cross out, and again you have the option of leaving a comment to explain why the deletion is necessary. Next tool I don't recommend using. It's what we used for a comma before, but it's kind of messy and not easy to place, so I just recommend skipping that one. And then the final tool we've used before is the box. So you select a section of text that you want to comment on and leave a comment. Those are the 6 tools. Oh, okay. I'm going to now point to the right side, the panel that has the scores for the rubric and for assigning a grade to the student. In this case, you might have to press View Rubric and see the 5 criteria which were used for grading papers in the last term. And you may need to go to the bottom to slide over to see where to enter those grades. They all go in these boxes on the right side, and each one will have a number like 5 or up to 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then when you're done, you may go ahead. It will show you how many points are given out of 20, and that will be the grade. And you may go ahead and push the submit button this time. I will make any corrections if I need to. You also have the option of adding a comment before you push the submit button. That will be my refresher on SpeedGrader, but I'll show you another more efficient method in a separate video.